Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today we're going to show you how to use the external viewfinder, like rangefinder that pops out of there on the Sony RX100 Mkiii. So if you want, you basically just have to push this tab down and it turns on its own. And then you can use the electronic viewfinder. As you can see, it turned on the camera. The problem that happens is if you want to go back to the LCD screen only, when you push it down, the camera auto powers off. As you can see, it won't let you. There's no menu setting or anything to that. So when you're using this, and you have to pop it out. So that's how it looks when you're ready to shoot through it, which is really nice to have an external viewfinder. Pop it back in, pop it back down, and it turns off. So you can't override the viewfinder on and off, turning on and off the camera with the viewfinder, but it's very handy. It's just a bit of a pain when you want to shoot from the viewfinder to the LCD screen. So yeah, guys, that's how you open and close the external viewfinder, electronic viewfinder on the Sony RX100 Mkiii. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.